Okay, so now it's time to mark our work. Hopefully you should have identified that there were 6 personal pronouns that aim to create a sense of ethos and bring our audience onto our side. We had our in the first sentence, our community needs this new shopping centre. We had 2 in the second sentence, we had we and us. We need it because it will bring us closer together. We had you in sentence number 3. I want to thank you all for your time today. And we had 2, we had you and our in the final sentence. It has been a pleasure working with you to improve our local area. So we've created a sense that we are polite, we are trustworthy, we're a good person, and we all want to work together for the same cause. So this brings us to a new piece of vocabulary, the word unite. And the word unite means to be or become joined or linked, a little bit like the picture you can see down here of this group of people holding hands and kind of being united together. It comes from the Latin word meaning one, and that's what we want to do with ethos. We want to unite people and bring them together for a common purpose. So the first thing I'd like you to do is write down the word unite, copy it carefully, and then write down a definition of the word. Can you do that now, please? Okay, our next step is to put that word into practice. So I've got 2 sentences, and in one of them we can see that people are united. They have come together and been linked in some way. So all I want you to do is using your fingers, show 1 or 2. Let me read them first. So, the whole class stood together and applauded the show. So the whole class stood up and clapped their hands. Or, the class bickered and disagreed about who was right. Can you show on your fingers 1 or 2 which sentence shows that the people are united? Okay, hopefully we've identified that number 1 is correct. The whole class standing up at the same time and clapping and applauding the show tells us that people have become joined or linked together. They have become one. Okay, so we can use different forms of the word unite. So unite being a verb. We can use in the past tense, we would say united. Or if we wanted to use the word as a noun, we could say unity. So let's have a look at 3 sentences, and I would like you to write them down and fill in which is the correct form of the word. Is it the verb unite, the past tense version of the word united, or is it the noun form unity? If you're really not sure, that's okay. Copy down the sentence and leave a blank space, and we will go through the answers together. Okay, now we're here, we are ready to mark. So, grab a different colour pen if you have one, and we are going to check our answers and fix them up if we need to. So number 1, the campaign aims to create unity by bringing everyone together to prevent bullying. So number 1 uses the abstract noun, unity, to bring people together. Number 2, the people were united in their aim to clean up the local beaches. Okay, so this uses a past tense form of the verb, and in fact we know that because it says they were, so we're in the past tense. And finally, we've got the verb unite. We should unite and work together to reduce our use of single-use plastic. Can you see how each one of these is being used then in the context of ethos, of bringing everyone together for the shared purpose, okay, and really using what we might say again is people power. Okay, if you have time left in the lesson then, I would like you to have a go at writing a paragraph which uses ethos to unite an audience. What we want to bring them together on is the issue of cleaning up our beaches. So your paragraph will aim to unite an audience to help clean up litter from a local beach. You can use our earlier paragraph as a model for how you might do this. And you have two things that you must include. You must use some personal pronouns such as you, we, our or us, and use one of the forms of the word unite. So you could use unite, united, or unity. It might be a good opportunity to discuss some ideas first and talk about how you might persuade somebody that this is a really good idea and that you are trustworthy and knowledgeable. When you're ready to write, here are some useful phrases. Remember, you want to be formal, polite, and show that we are all working together. Okay, I'll end the video here, and I look forward to reading your paragraphs when I come back to the classroom tomorrow. Thanks everyone, bye!